yeah.
They do it, yeah, when...
How the rain, you know?
Yeah.
And them something there.
You see all that column and stuff we have in it, we have a lot of column. We make it stronger than it should be, but that's how it is. Yeah, this is
like this one, I tell you.
basically
I love
what
it.
we have. Yeah. So this is the bill like, it's alright sometimes. Sometimes alright.
Don't forget, I'm Rosemary. I'm Rosemary.
Yeah. You know what, if when you're ready, man, I could, yeah, I could. Hey guys, today I'm giving my nephew a tour of his first tour of the apartment building that we're constructing here. So as you can see, that's where it's at. We cannot get a good shot from the front, so I'll take a shot from here. So this is the apartment building we're making. Some of you guys that have been with us since we started would have seen the first floor constructed, the second floor, but now we're at the fourth floor. Oh, then let's walk to the side first. This is what you use to pack the septic tank. So the septic is back there. Oh, yeah. This is a rocky terrain. Rocky terrain. So this is at the side to this apartment here. We have, this is where the septic is gonna be, and that's what it is. That's what the septic tank is gonna be at. They have to clean it out, right? So when they clean it out, because it's dug a while ago, you gotta clean it out, and then you pack it with those boulders, and then they will concrete the top, and the waterfall, the bathrooms will go running it, right? So this is the first floor, semi-basement section. We're gonna for the first floor. Yeah, so this is the first floor. This is a living room right here. That's a living room. The kitchen gonna be back here. This is like 1800 square feet. This apartment. It's gonna be a master bedroom here with a closet and another master bedroom over there with closet and 2 bathrooms, and like this is where the passageway will come in. So this is one apartment down here. So it's a huge bedroom down here. And let's go to the second floor. But then be careful, you have nails around here. Lots of nails. Lots of nails and bamboo. Bamboo is an integral part of construction here in Jamaica because they use it to hold up the ceiling when they're doing the ceiling. So I should wear shoes, wearing the slippers. Lots of bamboo, but these bamboo can't be used again anyway. They have to be green because they're much stronger when they're green to hold up the ceiling. The contractor is not here today, but he should have been here. He told me he was going to be here, but apparently he's finished with some other smaller jobs, so he'll be here tomorrow, and because they should be working on the 4th floor. So this is where we're going to have a water tank. A water tank to be here. We're going to do a built-in water tank because you're going to need a lot of storage of water. So we're going to make a tank right here, and this is going to be covered off. And this is going to be like a walkway, so the tank is going to be beneath the building. So we're going to do a tank 15 by about 30 feet. So we'll have ample water for the tenant or whatever we do with it. Airbnb, permanent tenant, whatever we do with it. So this is essentially the first floor, technically the first floor, because the other one is a semi-basement kind of thing. And it's basically the same setup on all sides. So this is one bedroom, and then you have a bathroom here. This is another bedroom, then you have a bathroom here. So it's essentially 2 bedroom, 2 bath on each side. And these are independent apartments. So they could either be independent or they could be combined to form one central floor. But for these are independent. So another apartment is on the other side, and it's basically a replica of what's on this side. And that's what they look like. All nature, 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 nature. All you can see is nature. When we go to the top floor, you can be able to see the sea. So they're making some other apartment down here. Another apartment there. I don't think they're a real apartment, they're just houses. But this is like an apartment block. And that's houses. But there's houses back there as well. So we're gonna continue because essentially the next apartment is the same thing as this, just a duplicate of this. So we're going to tackle the stairs. So this is the third floor, but we essentially classify it as like a second floor, but it's actually a third living structure we have here. And there's not going to be a walk bridge to get here because we don't want one apartment section to be able to go to the other section. So it's going to be cut off. If you have to go to that section, you have to get back downstairs and go around. So if one person has an apartment here, you can't just walk across the apartment unless you go down and go around. And these are the stuff that we're going to use. These are called forms. So these are what you use to put up the roofs, and we have one more roof to go. So these are the forms that we use for that. And essentially what you see here is what replicated on the other side. Going up the stairs.
It's gonna be one more floor.
Huh?
Oh, that's the roof. It's gonna go next floor.
We could, but I tell the concept to know we're gonna stop. So this is the 4th floor, and what we do with this 3rd floor, we gotta keep it an open 4th floor. So it's gonna be open. We're not gonna have any partition to this floor because we're gonna use this for the family. So when the family come from the state or wherever we come from in large numbers, we just use this one because my parents' house essentially cannot accommodate all of us. If we all come together, all my nephews and nieces come to Jamaica, we can't. Plus my kids and everything else, we can't come and we cannot. We needed much more space. So this essentially 4 bedrooms up here. Should be 4 bedroom, 2 kitchen. But we might just convert it into 1 kitchen, and this is with the living room space. So all of it would be the living room space. This is the passageway for sure, and the patio back here. So it would be a bigger patio than just one apartment. So this would be a double. And the next thing to be done here is to put the roof on for this one. So the contractor should be here working on it today, but I don't know why he's not here. And as you can see back there is this nature. Source form is back there. I did a tour of that form is like a commune. And construction is taking place down there. And construction should be taking place here. So let's see if we can see the sea from here. Right, climb up. if you go on the roof from right here, you should be able to see the sea over there. And that's like a 360 view of what you're looking at. So the next phase of the end, they're gonna do the roof is gonna be here. So they're gonna do like a thing that they call like they're gonna run another row of concrete around, and then they start to put up the ceiling kind of thing. And it's gonna be a same duplicate of what like yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Big.
Exactly. Exactly. They brought a lot of blocks up here when they were doing the thing, so they brought more than what they actually needed. But they have the stairs to bring that down. And this is from the 4th floor. It's not as high over here when you look at it on the other side, because this other side started up much deeper. Lots of here. And this is what you see from this side. So for these windows, you gotta put grills because you can't have kids opening these windows because it's a far drop to go down. It is. It's far. Yeah, the building is like 66 by 45 feet. So that's essentially what the building is. So this is a view from the front. Essentially, these ackee and plum trees are going to be killed when we do the final landscaping and everything else. Swear down first.
That's what I'm close up on there.
And this is the front view. This way. And this is one of the side view. Side view in here. This is a ramp that they use to get to that floor. What's up? Yeah. This is the water tank that we use when we need water to do every construction. So we keep a water tank. And then additional water storage here. This is going directly to the 4th floor. If you're afraid of height, you can come up here. So this is the top of the building, essentially what the top would be. And we're gonna have a patio up here, and you could see the ocean from here. So that's the ocean back there. That's the mountain range around. A lot of mountain range around. A lot of mountain range I was just making down there in the valley. You have source farm over there, another guest house down there, and that's the size in comparison to the house next door to us. So do off the size of that one, of this one, and it's all greenery. All greenery. It's still hot, but At night it's a bit cooler, I should say. Lots of sun. And that's essentially the view from the top, what it would look like. So when this roof is on, we're gonna use it as a patio. So we'll have a big patio up here and probably put gazebo and stuff like that here as well. So this is this floor plan. This is around, this entire floor plan is almost 3,000 square feet. Floor plan for this section, because we're not going to partition this into two different apartments. This is just going to be one apartment, and we're going to use this one as opposed to either renting or even being it's going to be what we're going to be using when we're in JA. So we'll be at the top, and you could see they're building another house over there straight ahead. And you see another roof sticking out from behind the bushes over there. And they have like houses back here in this thing as well. And you see some other houses sticking out over there in this area. But this is essentially what it is. Construction guys are not working today, so they'll probably be here tomorrow to start setting up this, for the casting of this roof. The view from the third floor down to the bottom. No rail in this area, so yeah. Let me see if I can get down from the other side. I should be able to, if it's not blocked off. And it's the same way you could get up to the roof on this side as well, because it's essentially duplicate of the east side. This is the stairwell on the other side. Oh, we're gonna get that. Let's see, I'm locked in. Okay, from there. So now we're back on the first floor. And that's the tour for now until they're doing some work on it. You know, it's much more excitement when they're doing the roof. There's a lot of people. Then at the time you need like 60 or 70 persons working around the clock to get that done. Alright, so this concludes the tour of the apartment that we are building. You guys probably see when we're doing like additional stuff, because the next biggest stuff to be done is obviously the roof on it, and then when we're building the tank here, and everything else is just finishing. Should be finishing from there. I look at the beam there. Oh, they put OD there. I don't know if the OD is that name, but they put the OD right, and then initial right there. I guess they might have maybe put the OD. Good. Priest, who's gonna clean out the tank, the pit? Because this is enough stone, right? We have enough stone for this, right? Yeah, because I told him to go as close as possible to it.
I do truck when I drive.
How the truck couldn't get there?
I will come from that side and work. I'll be loose down.
Right, but you know, we have to use it up as quickly as possible, do this as quickly as possible so that we could get the space to drive in with more stuff. Yeah. So this is essentially the next thing. That's this floor. So then we have. Oh my God! It have more money. So what we put in now, he's gonna need more money to get to finish. Yeah.
It's ready because guess what you're gonna reap.
Yeah, so
the soil good seed, gonna reap good.
It's there after now.
And it's that, and then you just relax. Now your old age.
Yeah, this is all
I thought you want to do my brother. You want just, at a certain age, you want to fight myself for the New York act stupid like that. We never knew you had bring me more up.
Yeah. Let's come this way. Let's come this way. Come this way.
Oh, Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the final floor. You could have got another floor, but it's
No, leave it. That's enough.
Yeah, you could see the sea back there. If you
Yeah,
get
that's
to the
enough.
Yeah. So
We're not gonna go up no more.
this final floor.
Yeah.
So now they're doing. So I'm gonna leave this as a 2,000 something square feet. I'm gonna keep this.
For you.
For me, yeah. I'm gonna keep this for myself. Yeah. I'm gonna keep
Yeah.
this. Yeah.
You know, we don't get a nice ice even highlight.
Yeah. I'm
Oh,
gonna keep this. Yeah, keep this part for myself.
Let's see that.
So this deal, we're going so. Yeah. Blacker and the work. That's good. Yeah, so this is the builder that I use. Look, this is the builder that I use right here. He's the one that.
Okay.
Yeah, I had another guy doing it before, and then I had to switch him out.
You have a lot of people helping him?
Yeah, man, you have a ton of people in there. When it can't, when it needed, when they were.